Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we have to find the area of ABCD. So the area of ABCD, which is equal to the area of triangle ABH and then plus with BH, K and C plus with the area of C, K and D. So as we can see, the area of A, B and H. So area of triangle A, B and H equal to 1.5 AH multiplied with BH. So we don't know the length of AH, but the triangle ABH is the right triangle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. So we will get AH square equal to AB square minus BH square. That would be 5 square minus 4 square. Then we will get 25 minus 16. Then that will be equal to 9. So AH would be square root of 9 equal to 3. Okay. So then the area of triangle ABH 1.5 multiplied with 3 and then multiplied with 4. That would be equal to 6 centimeters square. Okay. Then we have to find the area of triangle CK and D. CK and D, okay? So that will be 1.5 KD multiplied with CK. But we also don't know the length of KD. So we can use Pythagoras theorem again. So we will get KD square equal to CD square minus CK square. Then CD is 10, CK is 8. So that will be 10 square minus 8 square, which is 100 minus 64 equal to 36. So KD will be square root of 36 equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, and then we will get the area of triangle CKD 1/2 multiplied with KD, which is 6, and then CK, which is 8. So then we will get 24 centimeters square. Okay. So then, as we can see, we have to find the area of B, H, K, and C. So the B, H, K, and C is the trapezoid. So we can get the area of B, H, K, and C equal to B, H plus with CK and then time with HK. Okay. B H plus with C K and then multiply with H and then K divide by 2. And then B H is 4 plus with C K is 8 and then H K. So H K is 14 minus AH and KD. So we have to take 14 minus AH and then KD. Okay, and all divided by 2. Then 12 multiplied with 14 minus AH, which is 3, and then KD is 6. Then that will be 12 divided by 2, which is 6, and then 14 minus 9, which is 5. That will be 30 centimeters square. Okay, area of ABCD, which is equal to the area of triangle ABH equal to 6 plus with the area of triangle CKD, which is equal to 24, and then plus with the area of BHKC 30 equal to 60 centimeters square. Okay. Now I have solved this question. I hope you understand, and thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.